Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your laptop. So to change the wallpaper, right click on the screen, select Personalize, then select Background, and then you can personalize your background by selecting one of the four wallpaper options. So the first one is picture, which looks like this. So this is just a static picture that never changes. And you can select one of the default ones. You can go into your file explorer. You can choose a fit for the image. You can select a solid color, any color that you like, to make it the wallpaper of your screen. You can also select the slideshow. You can change the folders for your slideshow. You can change the frequency of changing the pictures in the slideshow. You can shuffle the picture order in the folder, and you can let the slideshow run even if the laptop runs on battery power. And as well, you can choose a feed for each image in the slideshow. And the last option is Windows Spotlight, so it's just a random image that's provided by Microsoft. It changes every once in a while, and it has no options. So each of these pictures are pretty beautiful. So it's pretty simple and smooth option to choose. But you can basically choose whichever option you like the most. And so at this point, I think that's all I had to say. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.